In this video, we'll review PTT Plus video streaming capabilities. Video streaming makes it possible for users to push live video to individuals, groups, or dispatchers. The result is increased situational awareness for dispatchers, supervisors, and other recipients because they have a real-time view of events and activities as they happen. These features are available to PTT Plus users with the appropriate add-on package and are compliant with 3GPP Mission Critical Video Standard. In addition to having the video streaming package, the user's permissions must be appropriately set by the PTT Plus admin through the ECM tool. When a user does not have the appropriate video streaming permissions, the feature will not appear in the PTT Plus application. The PTT Plus admin can also control what type of video streams each user can send or receive. For the purposes of this how-to video, we'll assume everyone has the video streaming package and is properly enabled to use it. Let's try it out. We'll show you how to use this feature from the perspective of the person sharing the video from their device and from the recipient's standpoint. We'll start by having the user on the left, Linda, initiate a video stream with Caesar on the right. Linda selects Caesar in the Contacts tab, which opens the call screen. To initiate a video streaming session with Caesar, Linda selects the video streaming icon to the left of the PTT Plus call button. As you can see, this immediately triggers a notification on Caesar's device, and he can either accept or decline this invitation to receive Linda's video stream. In this case, Caesar is interested to see what Linda has to share, and the live video stream has been initiated. While streaming, Linda keeps her device's camera pointed at what she wants to share. She has the option to switch the camera angle to the front-facing lens to show herself. When in a video stream, the microphone is automatically opened on the initiator's device, so the recipients hear the ongoing audio associated with the video. Recipients can reply with a PTT call by using the normal PTT button, but where is it? Both the initiator and receiver of the video stream can minimize it on their device by tapping it, which brings up the call button for Caesar on the right. Caesar can talk to Linda as usual by opening the contacts list, selecting Linda, and pressing and holding the PTT button. Tap the video stream again to return to full screen mode. While sharing video streams, either user can also mute audio, or in the case of Linda, the initiator, their microphone. Either user can end the video streaming session by selecting the End Call icon in the lower right corner of the screen. Now let's say that Linda prefers the incoming shared video start automatically without her having to accept the call. She is able to control this through the app's settings menu. By default, this auto answer video call setting is turned off, but by turning it on, incoming video will start automatically. Let's have Caesar share video with Linda. In this case, he'll pull up the contacts list from the call window he's currently on and select Linda, switching the active group call to a one-to-one call between him and Linda. Now the video streaming button is located in the bottom row with other multimedia sharing options. You'll see that because of the change she made in the settings, the video stream starts automatically on Linda's device once the stream was initiated by Caesar. Sharing live video with an entire talk group works much the same way. At the left, Linda selects the talk group from the Talk Groups tab and initiates a video stream with available members of that talk group. With talk group video streaming, the streaming isn't initiated until the first group member accepts, and the video continues until the last member exits the video stream or the initiator ends the call. Members can exit and rejoin the video stream as long as it is still active, but the number of recipients at any one time is 15. First come, first serve. You can also share video with up to 9 other mobile PTT Plus users using the Ad Hoc Talk Group feature. What we've shown you so far is pushed video initiated by the user whose video is being shared. An authorized dispatcher using the PTT Plus dispatch solution can also request video from mobile device users in the field. This is called pooled video. By default, if a dispatcher requests video from a user, the user will have the option to accept or decline the request to share the video. However, if the dispatcher is given the ability to request unconfirmed video from the user, and the user has allowed this behavior in the app settings under Allow Unconfirmed Video Confirmation, the dispatcher can demand video, and the video from the device will begin streaming immediately without the user's confirmation. As you can see, adding the video streaming capabilities to an already robust set of tools makes PTT Plus an extremely valuable collaboration and safety tool for teams and fleets on the go. Thanks for taking the time to learn about the PTT Plus video streaming capabilities.